Thank you to our Canadian customer for purchasing 66 pieces EA960R3 Advertising LED Screens. EA960R3 Advertising LED display features a 960mm x 960mm cabinet design. The cabinet is made of magnesium alloy, making it robust and durable. This LED display is suitable for various indoor and outdoor applications, including fixed installations and rentals. EA960R3 Advertising LED display cabinet has two quick locks on the top and left side for easy and rapid installation. Power and signal cables are connected via pre-drilled holes on the side of the cabinet. Handles are located on the top and sides for easy movement of the LED display. EA960R3 Advertising LED display has a compact structure, and the rear cover can be quickly opened for maintenance. The fully sealed cabinet is weatherproof, dustproof, and moisture-proof, raising the protection level of LED displays to a new level.